Hey everyone, Ryan with 9-month college grad, and in today's video I want to answer the question, what is degree hacking like? Is it similar to anything you've done before? What's the day-to-day like? I guess what's the process gonna be like? If you're thinking any of those things, then I am going to show you and walk you through exactly that in this video. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. Now, degree hacking is pretty simple, okay? I want you to think about maybe back in high school. For example, me back in high school, I had some friends and some siblings. I didn't have to do this, luckily, but I had some friends and some siblings that failed too many classes in high school and they weren't going to graduate. So what the school usually does in those situations is they give you a packet, okay? It's just a stack of papers and it's stapled together. And they say, okay, if you can complete all these assignments in the packet and you grade high enough, then we'll give you credit for the class. And what happens is most of these kids, they take the packet home and they finish it in like a day or two because it's not that much work. Okay, so they'll do literally the entire class in a weekend. And that's really common. It happens all the time. And it leads to students procrastinating a lot. A lot of times kids will have 3 or 4 of these packets to do, and they'll do them all like in the last week of the semester, right before they are going to completely run out of time, and they manage to get it done. Now, the reason for this is because everything we learn in an entire high school class it doesn't actually take a year to learn all those things, right? The teachers just really pace themselves and go throughout the span of a year. A lot of times you watch movies, a lot of times you play games. The actual learning part doesn't take as long as you would think. Now, with degree hacking, it's not much different. It's like instead of following the teacher's 4-month or semester-long plan, you're choosing to do that packet instead. Okay, so instead of doing all the homework assignments and reading entire chapters of the textbook and doing group projects and following their lesson plans and all this stuff, you're only doing what's necessary. You're learning what's going to be on the test and you're taking the test. The process is that simple. So what is degree hacking like? I would compare it to those packets that you can complete in high school to finish an entire class. If you're wondering what the day-to-day is like, basically the process goes like this. You find out what you need to learn for the test, to pass the test, and you study. Okay? So you don't have to do homework assignments and turn them into the teacher and wait for them to grade the assignment and then get the assignment back and then restudy things that you didn't do well on. All those things disappear with degree hacking. You find out what you're going to be tested on. You study, and you take the test. So if that sounds scary at all, here's what I'm going to tell you. You're going to have to take the tests anyway, right? If you follow the teacher's 4-month plan, you still have to take the test at the end of the semester. But throughout the whole rest of the semester, you have to read chapters from the textbook and you have to do homework assignments and you have pop quizzes and you have all of these projects and lectures and all of that stuff. And then you still have to take the test. So if you're willing to study and work hard, you can skip all the other stuff and you can take the test. So I would compare degree hacking to finishing a packet, and the day-to-day is going to be research to find out what's going to be on the test and study. It's it sounds too simple or too good to be true, but that's literally what you can do. Now, I teach people how to find out what's going to be on the test and how to study and all sorts of different tips, tricks, and hacks that help graduate faster. If you're interested in learning more about degree hacking, I do have a training, a 3-step training where basically I map out the 3 most important key factors in degree hacking and give you details on how to do those 3 things so you can graduate faster. I've got that video training waiting for you to watch for free at diplomasecrets.com, and you can go there, watch the video for free. There's nothing for sale at the end of the video. It's just a free video. I hope that helps. I hope me explaining what degree hacking is like helps you feel a little bit more comfortable with earning a college degree faster. And above all, I hope you can earn your college degree faster and get that dream job you've been dying for. So, hope you have a great day, and we will talk soon.